Level 10, Proficiency. The Fox and the Grapes. One scorching afternoon, a fox, weary with hunger, wandered into a vineyard. There, suspended high upon a trellis, hung a cluster of grapes, rich in color and sparkling with dew. Their beauty stirred in him a deep desire, and he resolved to have them at once. With eager leaps he sprang upward, stretching every muscle, yet the grapes remained beyond his grasp. Again and again he tried, his body aching with effort, his pride urging him on. But the more he struggled, the more hopeless it became. At last, breathless and defeated, he sank to the ground. Yet unwilling to confess failure, he cloaked his shame in scorn. "The grapes are sour," he declared with a sneer, "unfit for one such as I." And with feigned indifference, he turned away, though his heart still longed for what he could not attain.